Kiss me again and I'll eat your mom's ass, Dylan. I would, but I wouldn't want my nose to smell like a tuna foot long from Subway with extra onions left out in the sun because they had to get back on the roof because a thunderstorm was coming. Big night for Kimmy Cola. Huge night in a few hours. The world's gonna know the Burp Queen. It's pretty cool. J Love, what's up? I'm J Love. Taco. Burrito. I don't drink beer. I'm just a country singer now. Who went down to the country store where I seen that hoe before. The man said she left with a guy in a truck. I said, I don't care. There's plenty to fuck. Rest in peace, Toby Keith. Kenny Chesney, I'll kick you off the stage. All you need is a voice and a good look. You know. Same thing with rap. Rap all day, you know what I mean? My microphone, believe me, I like it loud. I'm the man with the jokes. I can rock the crowd walking down the street to the hardcore beat while my JVC vibrates the concrete. I'm sorry if you can't understand why I need a microphone inside my hand. Don't mean to offend the citizen, but I kick my volume way past 10. Story is rough, my neighborhood is tough, but I still sport gold cause I'm out to crush. My name is Shoenice, I devastate the show, but I couldn't survive without my microphone. That's ASMR rap right there. Happy 420, Monica. Can you guys hear me alright? This is a fight from Star Wars. Sitting there watching TV last night, wrestling championships, and freaking TV shut off. I don't even know if it's still on. I know the finals are today. That's one of the toughest events you could ever be in as a human being, wrestling. Appreciate the feedback. A lot of people just listen to me and they don't even look at me. They just have their phone in their pocket working at Wendy's or Cracker Barrel. I always thought that name was racist. Yeah. You gotta say cracker. You say cracker, it's racist. That was Tosh.0 13 years ago. We became famous together, me and Tosh. He did stand up on Comedy Central, but then he hit that show when he put that deodorant bit on and he dubbed it over when I was eating the deodorant. I poopy in my pants. If somebody can find that episode, make it into a TikTok, I'd appreciate it. Tosh.0 Shoenice eating deodorant. Yeah, way back. Appreciate it. Chuck from the Bronx, he had like 2 dozen eggs, and he sucked all the yolk out. So they were just shells. And I know the sound of eating eggs. I almost died from salmonella poisoning, so I called him out. And he was gone. You could hear like the hollow sound of the egg cracking. No yolk came out of his mouth. So I called him out, man. You can't be fake. Can't be just like Roman Atwood and Vitale and Out Boys. All scripted. I sense Steve will do it to Nelk. Yep. They won't even buy me a house, giving crackheads cars. What do you think about that, J-Lo? Up yours, Nelk. Salmon. I used to call it salmon. Let's go fishing for some salmon. Don't ever fish for views. Don't ever go fish so you can hold up a fish with a hook through its face for Instagram. Catch and release your mom's pussy. Only fish if you're starving. Don't take a bunch of people out on an ocean cruise and yak up some beautiful marlin or swordfish for pictures. Because I'll slap the water, throw rocks at your boat. China's about ready to shut down our whole infrastructure. Oh yeah. It's going to be crazy. The United States ain't going to have no power, no water, no food production, nothing. So go buy some water and rice, because you're going to need it. Buy about like a 50-pound bag of rice and water and some lighters. And you'll survive through that whole episode of people looking for cans of ravioli. So yeah, bunker down, get some rice and water and lighters and some food, something to burn. You know what I mean? It's coming. I'm so proud to be a part of the apocalypse. And when it does happen, you're going to be like, damn, I should have listened to Shoenice before the internet, electricity, food production, everything was thrown back to the 1700s. And get some candles, too. I'll be at Staples, chilling, eating erasers and Elmer's glue. I already stockpiled my shit. I'll last forever on that. So either way, you guys, we've been waiting like a long time, but we can't talk about it. Kimmy Cola and her foundation took me off the streets years ago. So they're good friends of mine, and I support her and her whole crew. And that's all I gotta say. I'm not gonna say I made her famous, but I gave them the support to drive on. They're the promotions. Tit for tat. But it's probably happening now. this at 9:30. It's happening in a few hours. You can see it on my YouTube channel. I think you are Johnny, you know what I mean? Maybe you're not Johnny Glass, maybe you're Johnny Lickass, you know what I mean? A dude coming in there, I got more pussy than a gynecologist in his first year as an intern. I'm trying to back out. Oh man, it hurts. I gotta sit up. Ow. I talked to my doctor on Monday, finally. May's gonna be a rough month, but we're gonna fix this pain. You can fuse my neck to the backside of my penis. Just get rid of this pain. Thanks for the cameo, Peter and Chloe. Are they getting married? Or something happened, right? Anniversary. And you guys just keep coming back year after year. It's amazing. 6 years on there. Most of my most of my shit is repeat customers. And you get it so quick, and it's only $9. We roast friends. We do whatever we want. Oh man, buckle up, Buttercup. No, this is how it goes. I'm Shoenice. I devastate the show. We just begun, so sit back and buckle the fuck up. That's how you say it, dude. Take a seatbelt and smack it off your mom's ass. Watch the cottage cheese fly all over like an earthquake at Golden Corral after Sunday church. Who cares about that, dude? You know what I mean? I don't. We'll see tomorrow. Everybody dies. Some people choose actions that cause reactions, but that's not my problem. You know what I mean? Oh my God. There she is. Let's all sing the song together, guys. The Kimmy will come out tomorrow. Yeah, that. My mom used to sing that song to us drunk. She'd come home from the bar and come into our bedrooms and lay next to us and say, the sun will come out tomorrow. Somewhere. My mom could play the piano, sing. Barry Manilow knew about my mom. Didn't bring her up on stage, but gave her a face push when she was climbing over the railing before like security. How many hours is it in over there in the good old UK? The opening. That's crazy. There's so many people that don't even know about this chicken here. That's weird. I don't think you can donate as a minor. Is that all you think about, dude? Sucking my penis and raping kids. I'm sorry, you know, that escalated, but Ted, get some help. You too, Wheezy. Aren't you a family of 5? The sun will come out tomorrow. Now, I seen that pic on Instagram. I got the Instagram open, but it wasn't on my phone. I'm doing it in celebration of you. Get out of my shirt. Here's deodorant. Put it on this morning. You can't believe J-Lo showed up. So everybody go follow Kimmy Cole on here. Is this YouTube? Subscribe. It's on. Hey, Monica, don't worry about other people. There'll always be haters unless you want the attention. Go ahead. But yeah, you don't have to respond to all the losers. They love attention. You know what I mean? Everything I sing is beautiful. And I just heard the news today. Creed's back on tour because they're broken gay with ass cheeks wide open. They're expensive too. So we got like 4 hours probably, Burping. I'll throw it up on my YouTube. Just leave it there forever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off of your TikTok, rip it, and put it on my TikTok, and then take it from there and put it on my YouTube. I don't know how to take a video out of Gmail or I'm as dumb as they come. That's what she said. Rambo's here. Here's the end of the movie, dude. Nothing's over. They drew first lead. I'm fucking sitting here in the jungle and this motherfucker just blows up on me and his fucking arm sticking out of my head. I'm smoking a blunt. I'm fucking up. It's over, John J. Rambo. That lieutenant said, or the colonel set him up so many times. He was a good looking dude. Everybody had Rocky posters. You hooked up with a chick. You went into her bedroom, they either had U2 or the Rocky Sylvester Stallone picture, and we had Farrah Fawcett. Oh my God. And then Three's Company came out. Crazy. You thought there was a lot of nipples in the TV series Friends. Go watch Three's Company. Come and knock on my door. We've been waiting for you. Where the kisses are hers and his. Three's Company too. How many threesomes came out of that 70s show? I know I had 2 babysitters at once. Well, no, my babysitter and her friend. They were chasing me around the pool, snapping my naked butt cheeks with towels. My father should have maybe, did a more background check on him. You ever have a babysitter ride home with you on the school bus? My father didn't trust me and my sons for anything, so he just wanted to monitor. Some lady that just watched General Hospital. We started dating. Me and my brothers, man, we didn't play. We were just them dudes in the neighborhood. Shut down power grids. Change the color of your water with a little bit of food coloring. Crack it open like a underground pool filter. some serious opiate morphine shit. Spinal surgeon can only give you so much, but my doctor, we have a video chat on Monday morning. Somebody's got to remind me. They remind you 24/7. It's gonna be a good time. But your dad looks like me. It's weird. Lightfoot. You're a good promoter. I appreciate that. What's up, ugly hobo? How's your scumbag puppet life doing? Yeah. You still attracted to that chick you used to argue with? She owned you. What was her name again? I think I'd seen her on Instagram or something. Maybe Rumble. She owned you, dude. Oh, Rocky Balboa? No shit. Hey, Monica, get in here and do these dishes. Sick of your lazy ass. They can't be making no more expendable movies. We're gonna have to call it Dependables because they're all in adult diapers. Oh, hold on a second, Arnold. I just pooped my pants. You're not Sawakana. Get to the chopper. Sylvester Stallone. He was my hero. He made me the guy I am today. Just a beast. You came out of Rocky too. You could beat up the world. I was in 7th grade taking down 10th graders. Come from 4 generations of fighters. It's the worst thing I ever ate, your mom's ass. Came out of there smelling like tuna fish. Still there. Probably a cactus. You eat a cactus, you got pricks in your mouth for a week. You shit out a cactus. You got pricks in your ass for a month. Tiny ones. Can't pull them out with tweezers. Only LA Beast and a few other know about eating a cactus. 6'7", it's a big ass Sylvester Stallone because Rocky Balboa was like 5 foot. Like Tom Cruise and Rosie O'Donnell. What you doing? This bro off a can. No, I don't do drugs, dude. It's 4:20, I'm high as a kite. Cause it's my right, probably did 30 bong hits this morning. 4 nerve pain meds. 2 glasses of red wine. just got some nerve damage going on in my left area. So you can't get through the day without some kind of a hee-hoo. Monday I talked to my real doctor. Thank God. Appreciate it. Monica Raven, everybody, go support her on her whatever she wants to talk about. I'm not there, but you guys can probably go there and hang out with her. What's it called again? OnlyFans? Yeah. Shit. Go talk to your son. He can talk to me anytime he wants. He knows my email and PayPal. He gets a birthday present and a Christmas present every year till I die. Oh, that might not be long away. We gotta get this fixed. I've been in pain since 2 days before Christmas last year. Remember South Park Taco Taco? Let's get that time in here and make that money. People thought your 6'7" father was 5' Rocky Balboa. Oh, that's pretty cool. 4:51 a.m. Sunday. New Zealand's full of a bunch of pussies. You tell NZ Chippy I said that. Him and his wife the same height, like 4 foot. Are you guys all small in New Zealand? You got giants and the rest of y'all little punks. What's cool about New Zealand is you'll never have to worry about getting blown up in a nuclear holocaust. You're no threat to nobody. Is there a bridge that connects New Zealand and Australia? That's all I just want to know that. Is there an undercover bridge? Underwater or something? That wouldn't be a bridge then, that'd be a tunnel. Let's see what he says. Speak up, get off your mom's face, dude. They got a big catapult. Let's all visit Australia. Nobody puts a shrimp on the Barbie, right? Where's shrimp in Australia? It gets crazy out there over with the aborigines, the locals, big spiders. Your mom running around with friggin' hairy armpits. My big head is pushing down on my bulging discs. When I lay down, everything's better, but I can't make money laying down. Yet I keep on grinding. Ow. This phone is all screwed up. I reset it. You can't even see my blue eyes anymore. It's freaking weird. Hold on a second, maybe you can. Oh, there they are. This accomplishment 16 times in one day. This is a big party. Yeah, I think I'm going to jump back to TikTok and make some quick money this weekend. This Wi-Fi's killing me. So if you guys want to join me, just go